Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to get popular on Vinted pre-love marketplace. Now if you want to get popular on Vinted pre-love marketplace and you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to get popular and if you want to sell more products on Vinted pre-love marketplace, then you need to simply install the Vinted pre-love marketplace app on a device by going on App Store or Play Store. So after installing it, you need to open the Vinted pre-love marketplace on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So it may take some few seconds. Now you need to select where you are from, so you need to click on the country we are living. If you want to get popular on it, you need to keep on talking with the community. You need to keep on going on the sell icon and you need to keep on uploading the items you want to sell, and you need to keep on keeping the best items for you, and you need to provide the best items to the person you are providing them. So you may click on the option of category and provide a categorized item for the product. And if you are sending them the product, you need to send them the original product rather than sending them the duplicate of the scam product. So if you keep on doing like this and if you keep on talking in the community, then you will get very popular on Vinted and you will also get more orders for your profile. So that's it. Thank you for watching our video. That's how you can get popular on Vinted pre-love marketplace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this was helpful. Make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you.